we bring our motorbike trailer, guys.
Hi everybody.
Look at this, guys. I put Christmas tree, a small Christmas tree and Christmas lights so we can feel our Christmas here in the bush area. So yeah, look at my Christmas tree. Good morning, guys! Merry Christmas, everyone! Andito kami, guys, nag-camping. It's not far away sa aming bahay, mga 1 hour drive. So, this is our first time here and sobrang hirap mag-book dito, guys, kasi always fully booked dito. So, nag-book si Brit dito mga 1 month before the Christmas. So, sobrang ganda yung spot and very relaxing. So, 11 spot yung pwede magka-camp dito, guys. So, nandito kami sa 10. So, ang maganda talagang view is nasa 1 to 7. I'm not sure. Pero maganda naman dito sa 8 or 9. Pero mag-walking ka doon kasi may dagat. Hindi naman siya malayo. Ayan. And doon sa 1 to 7, yung harap talaga is yung dagat. Sobrang ganda yung view. So, yan. Kagising lang namin and Brett. Nilagay niya yung duyan. So, ayan. Ayan si Brett. And mamaya, guys, I'm going to cook seafoods kasi yan yung gusto ko for our lunch. So, exciting. Hindi kami nag-breakfast kasi kakain kami ng marami mamaya. So, yan. Hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog kahapon. Meron akong konting clip yung first, video. Kasi, sobrang, napagod ako kahapon kasi marami akong orders, guys. Gumawa pala ako ng mga, suman and bibingka. And, si Brett. Babe.
Hey.
He's having coffee. Me, I'm having green tea there. So, maybe I'm going there to my, doyan. Doyan! May mga dito, guys, oh. Bush turkey. Ang daming bush turkey dito. So, that's our setup here. We have crab pot. I'm planning to cook here outside later, guys. Kasi, mas hindi mainit.
Jen just trying out the hammock. Look. Oh, where's she gone? Oh, and bush turkey coming over there. Check her out, look. I think the bush turkey wants to get in there with her.
You can have that for
They're not very
short later.
They're not very shy. Where's she gone?
Babe, stop! So, I'm here inside the hammock, guys. Oh, ang sarap ng buhay pag ganito lagi.
Merry Christmas, darling.
Is that my Christmas gift?
You want it, look.
Oh, thank you.
Pen $7.50.
Lumabas siya sa camper van, guys, and he's saying, Merry Christmas. No, he was saying, Happy birthday. No, he was saying there, like, Happy birthday. Like, whose birthday? I'm like, oh, sorry. Merry Christmas. You're funny. So, ngayon, guys, papunta kami dito sa dagat kasi mag-fishing kami. Sobrang init. Nagganito ako, guys, kasi sobrang humid. Yung init. Nahirapan huminga, guys. Sobrang init. And then, nag-lip tent lang ako. And then, yeah, para Saka gusto ko mag-pictures. Ganun. Sobrang ganda dito guys. As in, very relaxing. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. And may nag-fishing doon. Ayan. Sobrang ganda. And Brett is there. We have umbrella para hindi mainit. And then may mga bahay doon. And doon sa kabila is my creek doon. Pwede kayo mag-grabbing. So, yeah. Doon kami kahapon eh. Nag-walking. Pero hindi ako nag-vlog. Uy, so... Pag summer talaga dito sa Australia guys, grabe yung init. Yung sakit sa balat. Ay! We're fishing. I think I need to cook for our lunch. It's already 11 o'clock.
Where do you want to eat though?
There.
You want to eat down here?
No. I bring a lot of food. There na lang. So I'm going to cook. Nagluluto na kami guys sa aming lunch. Our food. Our table. Happy campers. Look guys, after our big lunch, we still have some chicken, salad,